November, and it's the weekend post. We start with S&P 500 E-mini as usual. The uptrend, first of all, the green resistances break out and backtest was clearly very bullish here, and since then it made a new high, and then now it's coming to the same high. And I believe if it can break the green top band, it will keep on going. The blue support is holding, and we went long at the break of the purple top band, and still holding. The entry was 3,606. Now I believe it's going to keep on going as long as this green support and the blue support are holding. We'll find out soon, probably at the open. Dow also is within the uptrend. I believe there is a good chance. Let me show you the long-term resistance line, and that's the blue top band, and that's over 30,500, I believe. Let me see. That's actually 30,700-ish. And that's where I think this index is going to, and the top band, the golden top band, of course, has to be broken for more upside. You can see here the golden bottom band 2 touches, the top band 2 touches. The blue channel was a bull flag and it was broken, and the black one is kind of speculative support, but if you look at everything that is pointing upwards, there's a good chance if it gets tested it will hold. The golden top band is the next resistance, so if it does maybe break at eventually, then we'll probably get to 30,500, 700, and even 31,000. Nasdaq, we are also long 12,070 because of the break of the red resistance. That was very clear resistance. You can see here the fourth touch cleared it, and the blue one was broken, and then vaccine news caused a big sell-off. Now everything that had happened during this sell-off is basically gaining them back, which is why news is being erased and faded. The golden top band is speculative resistance, which is over 13,250, but it's a long shot. I'm not saying it's the target, but looking at the break of this nice triangle, the red one and the blue one, you can see the blue and the red, they broke together at the same time. Okay, and that's why I'm still holding the long from 12,070, and I believe it's going to get to minimum 12,400 and possibly further up. Russell is the best looking one. You can see the break of the golden resistance and its back test. This was the back test, and then we had the vaccine and everything and the election. So the red bull flag was spectacularly accurate. You can see here, and it was broken. So 2 touches on top, 2 touches on the bottom, and it was broken to the upside. Just Friday it broke. Let me show you. It cleared the black resistance, 1, 2, 3, 4 touch, and it's getting higher and higher. So Russell is the strongest one after being a laggard for a very long time. That is called sector rotation. FTSE had broken the massive bull flag, the blue bull flag, and now it's broken. I don't think it's coming back for a back test. I wish it did, so that we could buy this, but it's not. And there's also a gap, but it's not really selling. A move below 6,580, 5,800, that would be a nice level to buy into, but I doubt it's going to get there because it's basically every time it breaks some supports, it still makes she still makes her way above it. So this is the, for example, the support that was broken on Friday. Okay, this golden one, which was very accurate. Yeah, it broke it and it broke it back up. So bulls are not messing around. They have a gap to fill, and FTSE's gap is right here at 7,300. DAX similarly, big break out of the red top band and back test, and I believe it's going to the green top band at over 13,500. This here, this gap hasn't been filled yet, and that's minimum level, and that's 12,540. Sorry, 13,540, and it's gonna get there probably next week. Oil, big break out of this sideways action since June. You can see here the sideways action since June has been broken. This range is broken. So I believe it's going to get to 55 eventually. The blue support is holding. You can see here 3 touches on the blue support, and it's going strong. A move to the red, I mean, if it breaks the blue at some point, it will probably backtest the red top band at 42.50, and from there I believe it's gonna keep on going higher to around 50, 52 minimum. Nat gas, I'm going to show you the bigger picture, and it's still showing me a very bearish picture. The golden channel's top band held, which is why I believe the green bear flag, this is an imperfect bear flag, but it's good enough for me, and I believe it's going to be broken eventually, and nat gas will come to 2.1. That's 850 ticks below this level. So if the green bottom band breaks eventually, then we'll see more selling. Gold, the green bottom band is still speculative support. Okay, it came very close to that level, but it didn't touch it. Maybe it will at the open or tomorrow. And also there is another, if the green bottom band doesn't hold, there is the golden bottom band that to form a beautiful bull flag. So if the golden bottom band holds, then there is a possibility to form a big bull flag and then eventually get to 2,200 if and when that bull flag breaks. Silver, I've been showing this red bull flag for a very long time, and I said, you know, it will probably drive silver further down. I'm not sure if it can test the red bottom band, but looking at things, state of things, I think there is still a possibility to do that. And this here, this massive breakout, you can see here this rally. After this breakout, we may get to backtest that breakout level and then further move up. And silver, this is the level is, let me show you, the level is 1960, 1965. So if and when the red channel, which is a spectacularly accurate bull flag, you can see here it's a potential bull flag. When it breaks, then it will become a big buying opportunity. But so far silver hasn't shown much interest in breaking it out. And forex, euro, this is the biggest news, and the reason is, forget about the green side, this here is 2008 high, and the 3 touches on the bottom, 3 touches on the top. Okay, 1, 2, 3, and this here is the 4th touch, and it's breaking it to the upside. So I'm very sorry for the deflationists. I'm very sorry for the US dollar bulls. It's not happening. It's actually breaking it to the upside. To me, over the coming years, US dollar or euro is going to get to 160, which is the 2008 high. This is a massive bull flag that is breaking to the upside. Pound sterling had broken this green veg. Everything is about Brexit, and I believe this here is also very, very bullish, but break off this green veg is clearly not so bullish. It's testing the golden support. Okay, it has tested it, and we'll see at the open if it can follow through with this back test and break the golden top band and move on. It's unfortunate that this green veg is broken to the downside. I was thinking it's gonna push and break it to the upside. Long term, I'm still bullish pound sterling, but looking at these things and the Brexit, we may still see one more dive. I'm not saying we will, but if we do, I think every dip is a buying opportunity. The blue support is very critical, and the most critical one is the red bottom band. And if it does get to the red bottom band and bounces, I'm going to be a buyer. Aussie dollar, perfect testing of the golden support. You can see here the golden resistance was broken. Back test, back test, back test, back test, and back test. So this golden support has been holding very, very strongly. Then the red top band was broken, which was bullish, and then last week the green resistance is broken and it's moving higher. Not so much of a rally, but you never know, it may still come. I am long Aussie dollar, just like I'm long Kiwi. And Kiwi, the reason why I'm very bullish is because of the red top band. You can see here the red top band is completely broken now, and the golden opening megaphone is in control, and I believe it's going to grind higher to 72. That's why I'm holding the Kiwi long as well. Hope it helps. Have a good rest of the weekend. Bye guys.